Hey everybody, Jared here at Big Pine Sports. Yet again another install video on the 2020 Kawasaki Teryx KRX 1000. On this video we are going to show you how to install the HMW A-arm guards on the front. All you're going to do is simply open up your box, uninstall all your hardware kit. You do need to notice that there are different sizes of nuts. These nuts are going to go down inside each of the hooks or hangers, and there's a different nut on there with a bigger collar washer on there, if you will. Also take note that there are different bolts. The bolt on the right is going to go in all of the hangers. The bolt on the left is going to be the bolt that gets inserted up through this hole like such. You will want to put the single washer on this one before you go up through the A-arm guard. You're going to loosely install these hangers like you see here. Once you hit the thread lock, that's a great place to stop. You'll simply put all four installed, put it up on the A-arm. You'll turn these to hang it on the A-arm. That'll actually go that way, and then you'll install those on there as well. Line it up with this hole. I installed this hole first, that bolt first. 71 inch-pounds on all of the hardware on here. Here you can see on the driver's side we do have it already installed. You've got the Teryx KRX logo embossed in there, if you will. Very clean, very nice looking, very well fit. Install was a breeze. It may take you to do both of them 15 minutes or so. There you can see that those bolts are recessed on there. Got a great fit on there. Absolutely no issues with the fitment whatsoever. The only question I do have, if you happen to know the answer, on both of the arms there is a section that it's been milled out there. I cannot figure out why. There's no issues with clearance. I'll show you installed just so you can see that there's no issues on the clearance side. What's your thoughts? I think that's an afterthought on that, on why that got milled out. I'm just not sure why. If you have any questions, give us a call, 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. What do you guys think? Great added protection source there. Good looking, another good quality product straight from Kawasaki. Have a great night, everybody.